Dear Journal, today began as usual with my morning workout. A solid 12 reps. Followed by some rigorous martial art training. Nailed it. After my training, I needed to sharpen my claws. But as soon as I started sharpening, I'm not home. Finally!
Jackie, it's your mother. Look, I know you're listening because I do the same thing. But Jackie, you can't just be alone all the time. You gotta get out there.
I'm fine, Mom.
Look, keeping your claws sharp and working out is important. But what's more important is that you meet somebody. You can't start a family if you never want to talk to no one. Okay? I love you, sweetie. And if you call me back, I probably won't answer. Bye.